Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'm playing like a random obby with my brother.
TDM bird.
See, he has a shirt too. Let them come back. Come back.
He made it.
Wait, I'm gonna come over so they can see your shirt. Go. Keep going.
They made it. He made it.
Yeah, I made it.
All the
Stay
credit
still.
goes to him.
See, it has TDM bird on the front and it doesn't have anything on the back.
It's just the TDM bird.
Yeah. So today we're playing Roblox. Yes, it's on my computer again. I love my computer because it's way less laggy than my tablet.
I'm all the way.
Except I can't add intros and outros on my computer.
Stage 36.
Well, maybe I'll try. I'll try adding intros and outros on
Dang
this
it!
video.
See, what stage are you at?
36.
I'm at 36 as well.
Oh!
Dang it!
Sorry, I pushed you. 37.
Wait for me.
You didn't wait for me.
Wait!
You didn't wait for me.
Please! Don't leave me.
Also, this obby saves, so if you want to play it, I forgot what it's called.
I know. I keep playing!
It's like the Mega Fun Obby or something.
Yeah, it's called the Mega.
Stop raging. Also, there's going to be a Halloween video on Halloween. Would you like to buy Skip?
On
No,
Wednesday.
I didn't even click that.
On Wednesday.
Yeah. What I'm going to do is play work at a pizza place. I'm going to go trick-or-treating and
then
go
we're
to the
gonna go
haunted maze.
maze.
Wait, you want to be in that video? Or do you want to do... Yeah, we can both record, so he's going to be in that video.
And
I'm recording it on Halloween and uploading it on Halloween. What a handful. Focus mode activate.
have you guys noticed I've been so quiet in some videos? Because I'm focusing.
Yeah, me too.
Like this. What? Because I can't talk while
38.
I'm at 38 too.
Don't push me.
I made it. 39.
39.
You cannot walk through it.
Of course you can't.
No.
Get off my head! Uh-oh.
40. I'm waiting.
40. Thanks. Look at this.
Dang it!
This obby's pretty easy, to be honest.
Ugh! Wait for me. I wait for you.
Okay, hold on. Let me just... Ow! Okay, hold on. I'm waiting. See, my hands only show when I'm in R15.
Guys, give me a
So now
sec.
my
My
hands
hands
are-
are sweating right now. No, seriously, they are.
What's prestige? If anyone knows what that is, let me know.
Comment down in the comment section below. And subscribe to my channel, please.
Yeah, TDM bird.
And Burber Productions.
We don't really do that anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. Rip.
What?
Rip!
It's making me rage.
Weren't you watching a movie?
It's frozen. But but the seconds are still moving. Guys, give me a sec.
God, I can't wait. That's not the remote we have. It's on pause. What the heck? Okay, why don't you restart it when we're done recording? What did you put? No, turn that off. You just put on a random channel.
If you guys don't know what Star Wars: The Forces of Evil
Oh my
is,
God.
it made a new season.
Okay, whatever.
Ah!
If anyone wants to hear what he was saying about that show, you can go check out his channel.
Lasers?
Yeah. Don't touch them. They hurt your feet.
I'm already past.
Yay.
Okay, please don't kill me.
Ah!
Yeah, you killed me!
No, I didn't.
Who's up?
Ah!
Someone's pushing.
No one's pushing. It's just that you're bad at jumping over things. Ah, dang it.
I jump over you all the time.
No, you don't.
And you're on the floor.
No, you don't.
Okay, now I'm confused.
Don't touch them. Just don't touch them.
Touch the black ones and the white ones.
What?
You touched
Oh, I get it.
It was a troll. They trolled us. They almost had me. Okay, so this one we're going up. Did it?
Ah!
Doing it.
Me too.
Heat. I'm waiting. I'm waiting at 45.
Yay, 45. Oh, God. Ah!
Oh, jeez.
Ah! Oh!
No!
This one
wait.
This one isn't as hard. Okay, I'm waiting.
This one's hard as crud.
No, it's not.
Well, my iPad, I haven't used my iPad in how many days? A week?
No. Look
I
at
don't
all
use
this.
my iPad that
Look!
much.
Peanut, look at my screen. Look at all the obby we gotta do.
You gotta be kidding me. I don't know.
Hold on, I need to adjust my screen.
Oh, I know we're supposed to do.
Ah! Dude!
Hey, my hands are sweaty.
This is pretty easy.
Ugh! Wait for me, please.
Alright, I'm waiting. Oh no, it's one of these. I know a trick.
Oh.
I know a trick
I
for
hate
these.
those.
Peanut, there's a trick, remember?
I know.
I'm gonna
Dennis
do it.
did
I'm gonna do it.
And I do it all the time, every time I go to.
Okay, it's not red and it's not green.
It's not blue, it's yellow. Because I ran right into
I was
it.
doing the screen thing. You didn't have to keep falling.
It's green.
Dude.
Yellow again.
Let me do my glit. Let me do my hack. Well, not a hack. Let me do
It's
my...
not really a hack.
Yeah, let me do my tactic. It's yellow.
Again?
Yes.
I'm guessing
Move!
it's yellow.
Move! Move!
Yellow.
Move! Oh my god! No. No. Move! It's blue.
Did it.
No, my screen. Wait.
I'm waiting.
Wait, my screen. Alright.
After this one, we're gonna be on the 50th level. I can't believe we're doing a full obby.
49. Ah!
Yeah. I'll wait for you.
I don't want to buy skip. Why does it keep asking me that?
I made it to the 50th and I'm waiting. Ugh!
What?
My screen!
Don't rage, dude. Don't
I'm
rage.
gonna rage whenever I want.
But this is on video.
Waiting.
One time he raged while recording and he never uploaded it.
What was that? The superhero tycoon?
No, the Minecraft. Remember? You were recording Minecraft and you raged.
The I'm stressed video?
No. Because you uploaded that.
So I don't know what you're talking about.
You couldn't upload it because you lost it. It was because of your screen. That's why you raged.
That was superhero tycoon.
No, it wasn't. It was Minecraft. Remember I made a world where you would have to... Wait, what?
What?
What is...
Was it like nothing?
I see.
it.
Oh, okay, I see this.
I can't do this, Obby.
Okay, stop, don't rage.
Give me a sec.
He's gonna go rage. Dang it. Yeah, he's raging right now. Okay, so it's that one. It's probably this one. And then this one? Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, that one's easy. What? Oh my god. No, I don't want to buy a skip. That's cheating. This obby is easy. Yep. Rip that guy. And rip him again. Is he still raging right now? He'll be back. Just need a groove. Where's this tablet? It's still here. Yeah, his tablet is still in here. I'm like 5 stages ahead of him. Oh, that's not him. Well, see, he's still in the game. Where's my backpack open? Here. I'm like 5 stages ahead of you.
Wait!
I couldn't just wait. The viewers need entertainment. I see you back there.
Pause the video.
Nah, I don't wanna. I see you back there.
Wait for me at that stage, wherever you are. What stage are you?
You're down there.
56! And I'm gonna look.
You see me?
No. Yeah,
I'm jumping.
yeah, I see.
Alright, well, this is the end of part 1 of this Obby adventure. We'll see you guys next time.